In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to use the split strategy for addition in the junior school. So for example, if we've got 17 plus 7, in the last video we talked about friendly numbers to 10, buddies to 10. So if a child understands that we can break up the 7, how many more do we need to take it to the 20 that will make it a little bit easier for students to add? So we know that a 3 and a 4 together make 7. And if we have a look here, we can use the 17 plus 3 takes us to 20, and then we've got 4 more. So splitting up and partitioning numbers is really important for students that when they progress to use bigger numbers in the teens or the 20s under 100, we can split numbers up that can help with addition. So they've got those strategies in their tool belt to ensure that they can be successful at solving equations.